A very, very cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Students, as you all know, Independence Day is coming, that is on 15th August. India is a republic country. In this country, we are living with freedom. We are having all the rights: right to education, right to freedom, right to vote. We are also having the right to choose our own government that work for the benefit of India, that works for the benefit of people. So with this feeling, independent feeling that we have the right to educate ourselves in a better way so that we can become better person for our country. Let's start today's class. Take out your English literature book, chapter number 19, The Bishop's Candlesticks. We have done half of the chapter. Now we will be finishing the rest of the chapter today. As in the previous class, we started chapter number 19, The Bishop's Candlestick. And this is the story, as I told you, about the kindness of Bishop for a strange man. He provided him shelter, food, and irrespective of his kindness, irrespective of his respect given by him to the strange man who was ex-criminal, who stayed in jail for 19 years for the robbery, he stole silver crockery from his house. He not only broke his trust but also disrespect his kindness. So let's see what happened next when he stole the silver crockery from the bishop's house, and when his servant, bishop's servant, told him that the man stayed in our house last night, robbed us, and ran away. So let's see what happened next. So he woke up. When the bishop got up early next morning, his servant told him that the man stayed in his house last night, robbed us, and ran away. So let's see what happened next. The next morning, the bishop was taking a walk in his garden. Madame Magloire came running to him. That man, she said, that man who stayed last night has robbed us and gone. Bishop said, what has he taken? The maid said, quite a lot of our silver. Was that silver ours? Bishop said, that was that silver ours? Madame Magloire was speechless.